Here's how to update an employee's salary. On your dashboard, click on the Employees tab. Then click on the employee that you'd like to make an update to. Please note, if you want to do a mass update, you can either start a live chat here with an agent, or you can send an email to admin@beneplan.ca. So let's just do a single salary update here. Click on the employee, and then click on the salary update shortcut at the top. Once you're there, please note that any salary changes that are tied to pooled benefits, such as life insurance, short-term disability, or long-term disability or other, will also recalculate those benefits. If you're using hourly, then please enter the hours per week value. However, if you're not using hourly, that is not a required field. The system will calculate the annual earnings for you. Please note that the effective date does matter. And save. It might take a moment because it is recalculating all benefits in the background. So benefits and premiums will be recalculated as a result. That's it. You're all done. Now to see if your changes have been completed, you can click on their tab here, click on Pay Info, and review your changes. That's it. You're all done.